Zachary, good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
It is your friendly neighborhood BMW owner. Hampton Beach 2023. The Baofeng is ready. It's going to be a good day, my friends. Having a nice day.
That's how I get the fucking dust off, you know? Yeah, you have like,
You sure you're not just spanking it for the sake of it, Matt?
you know, I like to give it a little smack every now and again, let it know who's in charge. Haven't told us the best yet, you know? Huh?
Well, here we are finally at Salisbury Beach. First stage of our road trip. Lineup's looking a little bit light this year. I mean, it's the same day as Broke. So, you know. What was that? But yep, still gonna have a good time either way.
I was like, yeah, leaving it there for the rest of the season. No.
Nope.
It's freaking the worst. Stuck on the 90.
Oh, dude, I was on the highway at sea. Went like,
Yeah.
I'm like,
one
is
time
that
I
car
had-
very slow, or he's fucking just
Yeah.
like,
At one time I had to let someone pass me, dude. I was like, I feel bad for everyone behind me. I'm just keeping up traffic.
Rolling, you get out of the car, shit, that where the hell back there, 10 miles back there. I feel bad.
Hi, friends.
So how'd she do on the drive?
22.5 miles to the gallon.
Oh.
That's German V8 for you.
Beating some?
What's that?
Which beat?
Oh, the car.
Oh, you're beating them.
Not really. I mean, I was having a good old time, you know, doing pulls and shit. It doesn't care. Just fucking. Hold on. Nope, we're good. She just sticks out. Chinesium grills. Hold on. What are you gonna do?
Aaron.
How'd that happen?
Yo.
Yeah, having a good time, the lights fall off. I guess it was dry. I turned the corner, they went, I'm like, fuck. Ride carnage.
Oh, jeez. Yeah.
Tell you, you're having a good time when you break shit.
Yeah, I don't know why my phone wouldn't let me talk.
Oh. Hampton Beach.
Hampton Beach, right?
Hampton
We're out
Beach.
here.
Yeah.
7th annual.
7 years already?
Always. 7 years strong. 7 years strong, and we still have a problem parking.
Yeah, I know. I mean, lucky you have Mr. IT over here. Managed to fix the parking machine.
Yes, hello. Hold on, let me pull out my laptop. Hang on, I'm gonna hack into the. I'm gonna hack in there. Yo, hold on, Matt. You gotta hold my hotspot and stuff. Hold on.
He doesn't do that for free.
All right. Yeah, we got free parking.
I think we're kind of too late for that. His ticket just fell out.
Let me just throw. Oh, where is it? Oh, hold on.
I'm here to speak to you. She wanted to talk about the rate, the going rate,
No, I can't do anything
the
about
hotspot. You know what I mean? That ain't free.
He doesn't do anything for free.
that. Listen, nothing in this world is free.
Oh, look out, we're about to get run over.
That's okay. Let me go first. I've had a good life.
Yo, we could have definitely parked in here. Yeah.
we wouldn't be able to fit 5 cars though.
Oh yeah, we'd definitely be able to fit.
Oh, right there. Boom, boom, boom.
Like a B
Yeah.
and a P? A B and a P right here.
We'd set off so many car alarms in here. It'd be,
Oh my God, just Matt's car alone would be phenomenal.
yeah.
Never mind now.
Boom, bro.
That doesn't we've been closed in a long time, so I think we're alright. Okay.
Jesus Christ. What the fuck?
Yo, yeah, no, this like they opened it in 1973 and then they just stayed there ever since.
That boy's more rusted than a freaking prostitute.
We just gave in to our impulses and just bought candy. Like I got a bunch of Sour Patch Kids and Sour Belts. I
I
mean,
spent $21.
$21. What'd you get? What did you get, dude? What did you
This
get?
is like 3/4 of a pound of taffy, which is actually the watermelon one so far is awesome.
Oh, all right.
And then we got like the bottles, the licorice,
Oh
the
no,
gummy
we're all set.
sharks.
Thank you.
Oh, of course.
What did that run you?
$21.
For that?
It was like almost 2 pounds. Well, it's almost like 2 pounds of candy, guy. Like it's just.
That's a big piece of wood.
And she loves tie-dye. You're on.
Clothes shopping, Hampton Beach trip. We're out there getting the Hampton Beach sweatpant exclusives. Just popped into that candy. Just got all the sour shit just came out right as I was doing that. So my neck is tingling.
Oh, you be like Lance?
Yeah, Lance, we miss you. We miss you, buddy.
$17. It's not like
One thing about women married is they can never pass the
You're on the beach and your kid is crying. Bring out the money.
Yep.
Even used to have this crazy thing in the trunk where you could put 6 of them in there.
Yeah, I
and
have one
change
of
them.
those. Crazy.
Oh,
Zach, it's
my
3 for
boy.
$1.99, so for $4 you can fill up your CD slot in your BMW.
What about
I
the
know
set
none of these
players?
people.
Can I interest you?
You will.
Set players be holding that shit.
That sounds perfect for you.
Oh,
Romantic evening music.
I actually used to have this game.
That's all we need.
Yo, you need to play this in your car, bro.
What is that? Is that
It's
a
a
CD
PC.
or a
It's a
game?
PC game. I used to have that when I was a kid.
Yo,
They have
buy
a
that
Tonka
right now.
PC game, Matthew.
Hands.
Do you have anything else?
I'm buying that.
Yo,
I don't even
Bad
care. It's
Boys.
going in the game collection.
What'd you find?
Deep Forest.
Bad Boys, the original one. Inner Circle, that's another song I know.
What's going on, you guys? Good evening. It's like 9:30 here. I didn't check the clock, but I know it's after 9 o'clock. As you can tell, I'm back in my room. We've been home for about a while. I think a lot of us got home around 6 o'clock. And I just wanted to fill everyone in about what happened, after that last video clip that we filmed. We had lunch, we walked around a little bit more, and then we went home. And on the way home, we ran into some seriously bad traffic. It took us about an hour at one point to cross 2 miles. There was some pretty bad accidents, roughly within like a few feet from each other. Like only in Massachusetts, right? But after that, there was just navigating to true traffic on a busy Sunday afternoon, and we just couldn't pull out the cameras again. Obviously I was too busy driving. I couldn't pull out the cameras, and I don't know what happened after lunch. I think what happened was after I filmed that last vid, I got into that mood when we were sitting down having lunch. I was gonna film a little bit more, get a bit more conversation pieces and snippets of us, while having food. But being in a public dining area, I don't know if maybe that's just the way I was raised, but I didn't want to pull my camera out because I felt that would be rude, so I didn't pull it out. That thing after that, I just kind of got caught up in the in the moment, and we just started having fun. We walked a bit up, like I said earlier, we walked up the boardwalk, we checked out a couple storefronts, and kind of made our way back towards our cars. And after that, we started making our way home. So you didn't really miss much. But at the same time, I wish I could have captured more. But at the end of the day, hopefully we did we did enough to kind of have you guys get an idea of how it went. We had a great time as always. As Matt said, that was the 7th year of the Hampton Beach cruise. We will be doing the night cruise. We didn't film anything from that last year, and we're gonna be doing so this year because that's another good time. Other than that, looking forward to see everyone at Boost and Burgers, and like, comment, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. We're definitely putting more work into our YouTube channel, and hope to see you guys more around. Stay tuned.